Technology makes our life easier and more comfortable, to the extent that we usually don't pay attention to it. At least until we realize we have not turned off something. Or, well, there it is. And yet in the age of smart solutions and the Internet of Things, we can have everything under control. Both at home, where we value security and peace, and at the workplace, where ergonomics matter. All you need is the reliable, consistent and easy-to-use KNX building automation system. What does it mean? KNX is an open, international, well-proven standard for creating electrical installations that integrate various devices into one network. It is currently being developed by several hundred different entities that produce over 8,000 compatible devices. All elements of the KNX system are connected by a bus cable. Activation of one element can initiate changes in the operation of the other ones. This allows you to automatically implement pre-programmed event scenarios and offers you the convenience of using various elements of building equipment. Therefore, the KNX system can easily be customized to meet expectations of the users, and if necessary, also modified and expanded. This is very well illustrated by integration of the SATEL KNX building automation with the SATEL INTEGRA alarm system, where the KNX2 module binds the functionality of both systems. This solution extends the capabilities of the two systems and reduces the total cost of installation by eliminating, for instance, the need to duplicate some devices. For example, the motion detectors being part of the alarm system can take over the role of motion detectors that initiate light control, and the touchscreen keypads the functions of expensive control panels designed for KNX systems. The latter enable convenient local control of all security and building automation functions, including extensive event scenarios. What is more, the INTEGRA Control mobile application provides remote control of both systems from virtually any location in the world. The SATEL KNX devices meet the stringent standards of modern building control. They will find application in all types of buildings, including residential, office, industrial, or business ones. SATEL KNX makes life easier, more secure, and convenient.